And Imam al-Ghazali, subhanAllah, has this amazing little nugget of wisdom in Gibya Sa'ada, the alchemy of happiness. And it's on the chapter of theology, of Tawheed, where he says, in the case of someone suffering from melancholia, which is what? Sadness, depression, yeah? Someone with a case of depression. And this guy, this person goes to the physicist, like a scientist, and says, help me understand what's going on. And the physicist says, you have excess dry air in your brain. So you should humidify air to balance the dry air with humid air. This is the old world. We'll get to it shortly, inshallah ta'ala, of the 4 elements of earth, fire, water, air. Hot, cold, wet, dry. And then he goes to the physician and he says, oh, you have excess black bile, which is one of the humors of the body. And you should, do this and that to drain the black bile and, have balance in your constitution. He goes to the astrologer and he says, oh, this is because of the conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter, right? The planetary bodies are crossing over or they're passing each other and there's ripple effects in the cosmos and that's why you're depressed. Imam al-Ghazali says, all of them have told a truth, not the truth, part of the truth. They're all right. But what they fail to see, what he sees as a hakim who can understand things properly, put things in their proper place, is that Allah Ta'ala, in His infinite love for that slave, has put the planets in a specific configuration and put the actual elemental bodies on this planet in a certain pattern, to put his constitution in a black bilious state, to put him in melancholy, to push him into this constriction and this depression, so that one day, one night, he just falls on his face and turns to Allah and says, Astaghfirullah wa atubu ilayk ya Rabbi. Help me, ya Rabbi. And he says, the knowledge of that, this is Imam al-Ghazali, the knowledge of that is like a lustrous pearl, of which all other knowledge is like foam on the sea. Just the knowledge of Allah. All the asbab are there. We can understand them and we should seek knowledge of the asbab. Understand how the planets work. There's a reality to that. And understand how nature works. And how different foods have different energetics and they affect us. We have different states. All that is ilm. But what's the lustrous pearl? That Allah is in control of everything. And He's the master of our states. And oftentimes what we need to do before we do anything else is just surrender to Allah Ta'ala. Submit to Allah. In that state. To be with what Allah has put me in that moment, and then to bring that to Allah.